Hi everyone, I want to make a video of this Lamborghini Gallardo and it is made by Maisto. Here is the engine bay. It is a V10 and it is amazing. It sounds amazing too. And here is the interior, the dashboard. And here is like a stop sign that the police officer use. And as you can see, the car is quite dirty inside. And it is because it is extremely old. And sadly, you can't open the door more than this. But I like the detail that it says Gallardo here. And here is the luggage compartment. And I think that it is quite big. The thing is that I have already made a review of this Lamborghini Gallardo. Not this one from Maisto, the police car version, but the special edition here. The other one is from Norway actually, and the one from Norway you can't open the luggage compartment, but this one from Maisto you can actually open it. But I forgot to mention that in the other video. But I like the bull, the emblem, because it looks great, and the brake calipers and the brake disc looks great. But the brake disc are already a bit too shiny to my taste. But actually, this car is quite old because it was one of the first cars that I ever owned. Actually, it was my younger brother's car, but he gave it to me when he moved away. But I'm so happy that I have it because I have so many great memories with this car. And did you know that the police they have to go to a driving course? Driving course. Probably. They have to know the car itself to drive the car in Italy. I mean, the police officers. Because this car is so. I mean, it has 520 horsepower. So you have to be careful on how you drive it. Even if you're a police officer, you can't drive it that fast. Because I mean, police officers they have to enforce the law because they are law enforcement men in. But anyway, I'm just going to end the video. Ciao.